Brand new spanky Hyundai Sonata. First things first, open the trunk. Yay! Pin. I already started. How many are there? 1. Center comes out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See? One there. One there. 2 screws behind this trap door of a handle. This trap door. Okay, it even says pull. See that? Pull. This little guy, right in the center. Unclips her, revealing 2 screws, which I already have sitting at the edge of my drill. So, with it being a carpet, you can just sort of pull it out. Okay, now you don't have to do it this way. There is a clip right here, and a clip, as you see, right there. So you can pull this guy out. Okay, now, the reason why I do it this way, because it's so much easier. And it's just a piece of carpet, you see? Getting it back, a little funky. I'll show you how to do it. But, there you go. Let's get this guy out. Let me show you what bulb this is. This is a twisty. Let's see if you can get it out. What are you? I'll find the link. 37R? Is that what these are? F22. We'll see. 2 of them. Just twist. Come on. This way. We'll figure it out. See? You don't have to put it on. Just some finagling, just some weaseling. Just sort of tuck it back up under. Just get this. Come on. Just carpet. Damn it. See? You can do it. It's worth the fight rather than fighting with this piece of plastic. Just pull it back a bit. Okay, tuck up under. You see? Well, I did it with 1 hand. You can do it with 2. Put the push-ins back in. Call it a day. So, like it, don't like it, share it, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.